Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Inyo. Guys, we replace new PSU supply because the old one is worn. See? So you need to replace a new one. So the new version is different style. The battery is above, there is this side. Then the power supply of this old is down. The new one is here. See guys? So we're replacing new one. It is for Vesda power supply. Okay guys, this one now installed already. Battery already installed. We need only to connect this one, but we need first power up. Easy first before battery. So it is the Vesda because the piece Vesda before is bored. That's why we changed new one. This is the old box. And also battery drain. Yes. Okay guys, we power up now the PSU. Connection okay. This is the Vesda. We have too much trouble because we disable the module. Now we connect the battery. Connect the battery. We need to normalize first. Okay guys, this is the Vesda now, but they have zone, urgent, and airflow. Need to connect the laptop and clean this one. See, they're showing alert now. So this Vesda is, there's no display. We need laptop to clear this zone and urgent and airflow to initialize. Okay guys, that's all. This is the PSU now. PSU now is empty, but the Vesda is like this. Need laptop to initialize the airflow and urgent zone required. Thank you. Now guys, I normalizing the Vesda because after we are installing the PSU, we have a trouble. We have alert, zone, then urgent and airflow and filter flow. Now it's blinking the filter because I am normalizing. I'm using laptop. Because the Vesda didn't have display on the panel. Okay guys, now normal. The Vesda now is normal. No more fault. No more alert photo. See? Clear. No more fault. No more anything troubles. So the panel now is healthy. Okay guys. guys. Vesda now is okay. New PSU. Then I clear all fault in the Vesda. The zone fault, urgent, required, and the airflow. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.